ODOGWU Mama.
Aisha, my mama.
My tanka. How are you?
Nah, Bob, now this girl, no, if see her, mother, ain't will be follow this girl one day. No, never penna, Aisha, my mama.
You say what? You say what? What you say?
I say you are looking very beautiful today, Mama.
Thank you very much.
Bob, now, mother, when would I come home? My parents something come about Nalia Nanya, not Christmas time. Come about Nalia Nanya, come out of Funala.
Oh, we figure for anything.
Aisha, who said that thing at your back? Who said that thing there?
Oh, my play. Oh, you pray. Oh, my play. You see, don't worry if you go for. When I can divine see you now. So, more if you go.
Aisha, in Igbo, you can speak Igbo and hear Igbo.
Na Igbo, na Igbo.
Wo. ATM kana tipa buaja. Aisha.
What?
How did you learn how to speak Igbo like this?
So I served in the East, I served in the East. NYC took me to East.
Really? Where in the East did you serve?
I served Inama? Onitsha.
Otunkwo.
Yes.
Hey,
you just made me. I remember Onitsha boys, all those boys. When they Maki's boys, all those boys there. I mean, you made me remember them now. Those people, they are very, very funny people. They will look on when they want to tax their organ, maybe they want to collect money from their organ. You see them, they'll be like cha cha cha,
power. You remember?
Or they will say, there's this song, Kuma. They will say, can't go like this. We
collect the Wow. Aisha, how were you able to pick the language within 1 year?
Yeah, it is simple for me. You know, people. Some people are polyglot. They know how to. When they have play for language, they know how to collect language.
Yes.
Me, in 3 months, was it 3 months or 4 months? I learned Igbo. Come on, you know Igbo. That is why I like Igbo. When you go to the Igbo people, you go to the East.
Yes.
They speak Igbo. You go market everywhere Igbo. Sometimes now you be like, hi, me, I'm not Igbo. You're speaking Igbo.
Yeah.
So dole you will hear the language. So that was how I.
So you're very good with the languages.
I speak very well.
Hey! So you remember everything about Onitsha.
I think that is why I like you. I like everything about people. Like from you cross Logo Jahaka, you are entering.
Yes.
The atmosphere is fresh. Everywhere you be seeing green. You be smelling nice vegetation. But I like it. People are very blessed. They are blessed with
Did you eat apple when you were serving? Did you eat apple?
Hey, I miss apple. I love apple is a very food I eat. My neighbor should bring it for me every time. Apple. Now ofola. Hey, and ofe onibu. That's it. Ofola and ofe onibu. They will put azumangala and oporoko. Yes, oporoko. Hey.
Aisha, this is how it should be. You like my culture, I like your culture. There is nothing we will use fight to do. All this is.
You have your natural, your culture is very fine. My culture is very fine. I wish everybody will understand. They will come together, you see. And Nigeria fight, haka. It's just the political people that are making us misunderstand.
Yes.
But like if you come down to the north, you see that north is a very peaceful.
Yes. I know.
We love you people, and when you go to the East, we see that people are very nice. You don't want any trouble. They bring them, they will bring food for me. They will be bringing things for me.
See, love is the true religion. Love is the true religion. You love me, I love you. We don't have any other Nigeria apart from this one. If we destroy this country, we will not have any other country to call our own.
Yes, we will not have any place.
Nigeria, we need a new Nigeria, and the Nigeria need a new Nigerians. Yes, Aisha, let me go and prepare. Let me go to market. Yes,
yes. Okay. After
This girl like buffet go. This girl like buffet go. Gaskia. I'm gonna call it.
ODOGWU. That's it. You sleep. Go off your gen. They don't bring light. I beg.
I know say you love me and I love you too. I'm gonna just help me. Go to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go to YouTube, search for Yamba Comedian. Click on subscribe, it's free. Biko, click on that bell too. And so that you get notification whenever I post. I love you too. Biko, no, go. Be going, go. We are begging you, please go.